just to reiterate, it's now been off, I don't know, 3-4 minutes. Lights still on.
I wish you were here.
Music's still playing. Plugged up to the battery charger. Battery tender. Straight from Harley Davidson. Other than that, there ain't nothing. See? Nothing. That's it.